Ralph here from Microjig. When you need to make half laps for furniture or picture frame projects or even just something as simple as a trivet, it's hard to beat the combination of the Dado Stop Pro Kit and the FitFinder. The secret to the Dado Stop is that you're using the stock that's actually going into the dado you're about to cut to set the jig, so you know it's going to be the right fit every time. The FitFinder makes it easy to find the center point of your stock and then quickly and accurately set your blades or bits to match that dimension. Both the FitFinder and the Dado Stop allow you to quickly and easily set up your projects using the stock that's actually being cut. No measuring, no marking, no test cuts. So visit our website at microjig.com and find out more.